The famous Devon house. Famous Devon house. This place have so much history. You see them boy after tree, no matter you tell them saying have no money, them still do this to your car. I met him some banana money for pay me now.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane.
Welcome to or back to the channel. I'm Shawna. I am in Jamaica. If you did not catch my last vlog, if you haven't to check my birthday vlog out, please to do so. Spend the next couple days with me in Jamaica. I'm going to run some errands right now. I'm going to the beach. I haven't been at the beach forever. If you know Charlotte, the beach from Charlotte is 3 hours away, so that's a no-no for me. So I'm going to try my best to go to the beach or the pool every day or every other day while I'm here, because I need it. Okay, a very relaxing trip. I'm going to run a couple errands right now, so please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and let's see what's in the streets in Jamaica. Remember praying this.
Picking up our love friends, fill up the car to live best because we wanna. Yeah, we just wanna have fun. The trunk's full of wine. We're gonna stay up, have the time of our lives. The night is young, don't need anybody else. We came to party all night long, and we don't need no chaperone. We don't need nobody's attention, yeah, we just wanna dance on our own. We came to party all night long.
My day at Hellshire was well spent. Okay, it was a good day. Seafood was amazing. So I did not think my day through properly because I wanted to do a day in the life vlog in Jamaica, drive around, you know, to run errands, do what I have to do, but that's not gonna work because one, I'm going to need we call it a mount on the dashboard for my camera, and then two, in Jamaica they drive crazy, you know, and a girl is still trying to figure out, you know, what side of the road to stay on. I'm starving. I'm gonna get some KFC. Today is election. KFC just opened like literally 30 minutes ago, and the line is ridiculously long. Why? Because it's finger licking good. The line is ridiculously long. I am eating KFC a day, and the only thing I want is their barbecue at wings. That's it. That's all I want. The only thing I'm cooking is a callaloo. I'm going to the supermarket to get a couple stuff to serve me for another week, and all I'm cooking is callaloo. I'm going to get some nice fresh callaloo. If you know, you know. And I'm going to make a callaloo saltfish and some nice soft yellow yam. Right? That's all. I need some Malta, some water, of course, and that's it. No, and I need pineapple juice, and that's it. But every day I'm having KFC and Island Grill. Yeah, as I wake up in the morning, I still have my coffee, you know, and whenever KFC open, I'm here. In the evening when I'm hungry, go to Island Grill. Very simple, easy life. I cannot believe I'm driving myself. I cannot believe I'm driving myself. Having your own vehicle in Jamaica is a curse and a blessing. Because I know I have my own vehicle here, I have to drive myself. Out of the blue, everyone is busy. Blah, blah, blah. But I'm proud of myself, you know. Alright. But yeah, I'm here. I am home. I am loving it. Loving my time here. While the line is long, let's chit chat for a bit. Yesterday I went to Hellshire. Oh my god, it was a good time. It was a good vibes by myself, solo trip. But let me tell you, I saw someone there that I know. But let me tell you, the fish yesterday was fresh. You hear me? The fish I had yesterday at Hellshire, the fish was fresh. The lobster was 9 out of 10. Oh my god, the festival, if you know, you know. Hellshire have the best festival. 10 out of 10 for the festival. I had a good time yesterday with my fish, my festival, my stone ginger wine, and my water, crown water. It was, the breeze was everything. I was there laying down meditating, you know, just talking to the universe. I went, you know, to put my foot in the water, you know, to be grateful, to let the universe know that I'm happy and grateful, you know, with where I am in life. Yesterday was a very chill, relaxing me day. I needed that, you know, time by myself, right by the ocean, to just unwind, be in the moment, you know, check myself. And I was like, Shawna, I am proud of you, you know. I am so proud of me. Yeah, I'm still in KFC line waiting. Oh my god, I'm so hungry. I haven't eaten all day. I did not think today through. The cars in front of me, they have the orange, what's that, fabric cloth string on their car, and they have orange, they have green. So I am going to get off the streets early. I have another errand I have to run. Oh, look at me. I need to go to the pharmacy or a beauty store to get a makeup wipes. I forgot my makeup wipes. I think I'm gonna get coleslaw as well. Back in the days, I used to love a famous bowl, but no longer. Barbecue zinger is also good, but barbecue zinger is a hit and miss.
Hello?
Yes, hi.
Can I speak with some coleslaw?
Yeah,
Self-service.
thank you. Okay, so I got the 5-piece barbecue wings combo and the coleslaw, and that came out to $12.50. Finally at the window. Here we go. Okay, I have my food. So sweet home I go. All right, left side of the road, left side. Sir, go. I can come behind you. I'll stick on the left side. All right, I'm gonna go home. Okay, this is what I did not want to encounter at all. Like, yeah. So we have PNP on the left and JLP on the right. Yeah. So orange over here, sir. Right? PNP over here, sir. And we have JLP over there, sir. Okay. Whew. I don't know why my heart was beating so fast just now when I was passing them. Well, I know why. because election time in Jamaica can go either way. So I'm gonna take my ass home. I'm gonna take my chicken stuff home. I pray for a peaceful, I hope they have a peaceful election, because all now is all woo, the patrol. Good, when I catch it. The bike boy, watch him. Now is all party, it's nice, and everything is going the way it should go. I hope it stays that way. Upon the flag there, I can tell this area is PNP. Every light post have an orange flag. Like 2 person asked me just now if my vote already. I'm like, no sweetheart, that's not for me. I don't have, what do you call the ID that you have to have, the government ID or numeration or something like that. Yeah, I'm not numerate, and I don't intend to. I've never voted in my entire life, not even back in the States, and I don't intend to. I could really care less. I could care less. I know it makes a big difference, and it does affect us with what leader we have in our country that we choose to live. The only way I might vote this year back home is if I see October comes and Trump is still in the race. Then I might consider to vote, because Donald Trump cannot win again. But other than that, I have no intention to vote. I could care less, because I still have to get up every morning and go to work, and they're still pulling crazy amount of tax out of my pay, right? And the more I work, the more I upgrade myself back home, and I work and I get more money, a different better position, all that jazz, is more tax from my pay. I cannot wait to get inside. Oh my god, this KFC smells so good. I cannot wait. Ugh. That's a high sleeping police. My first meal of the day. Look at the goodies. Barbecue at Wings. I haven't had coleslaw in so long. Production. Getting my labels printed for my pineapple soap. The sun is stressing me out. The sun is so hot, I'm so tired. The sun makes me tired. Today is an errands day. I'm running errands. I was trying not to make this trip be about business, but I can't help it. I just leave where I'm printing my labels for my pineapple YONI product. If you know, you know, pineapple is good for your vagina. When you drink a lot of pineapple juice, it makes your vagina fresh and healthy, and so does my YONI pineapple bar soap. It has in natural ingredients, all natural ingredients. Please to check the website out down below. Once I get home, I'm going to introduce you guys to the Lastina pineapple world. I have this product for the past year and a half. It was on Amazon and I pulled it a couple months ago because the FDA price was killing me. This is not new, but it's new to you guys. Very health beneficial. It's made right here in Jamaica. Everything in this pineapple YONI bar soap is all natural ingredients. Everything that's good for your vagina. People leave so much reviews on the website, on my Instagram, you know, like personal, you know, subscribe to my newsletter, all that jazz. Lastina pineapple soap is not just a pineapple soap, it's health benefits. It's good for your vagina, it helps you there. You don't have to have an issue to use the pineapple bar soap. You just keep your vagina, you know, moisturized, healthy, smelling fresh. It cleans you properly, remove all the bad bacteria and leave the good ones. It's good for, you know, itching when you're on your cycle, to keep down there smelling fresh. Once I get home, I'm going to sit down and give you guys a proper introduction on my pineapple yoni bar soap. It's in 2 pharmacies here in Jamaica, so that tells you I'm a girl with quality. I love good stuff, I love smelling good. So for me to be introducing you guys to my pineapple yoni bar soap, then you know. But yeah, the road is bumpy, the roads are bad, I am sweaty, the AC is on. I am cool once I'm in the vehicle, but I cannot drive and hold my phone. I cannot drive and hold my camera. I do not have a dashboard cam to put my camera up here, to mount my camera to the car. So it's very difficult for me to drive and vlog. I would love for you guys to see what I'm seeing, you know, just to feel more in tune or more connect with the vlog. But I do not have the equipment to police. Okay, the police just passed and I do not want to get any tickets, but yeah, I'm in the streets running errands. So please do support me and check the pineapple bar soap out. If you're Jamaican, if you're not, you know pineapple is good for the pum pum, you know, spice up your bedroom. Females told me before, because the ingredients that I use on the natural oils is good for our skin. Females told me multiple times that when they use my pineapple soap bar and then they have intercourse, it makes it more moist, you know, more juicy, you know, all that jazz. So if you want to spice your bedroom up and you're a person that from time to time your vajayjay get dries, check the soap out, okay? All natural ingredients. I know it's our vagina, I know it's very sensitive, so everything I use is organic, it's been tested, and I have the flag of Jamaica on my product. So I got the permission to have the flag on my product. It was tested, so it's not, you know, a joke thing, it's official, okay? But yeah, let me go run some errands because I need to get some more ingredients to make some more soap to take back home with me. These are the benefits of the pineapple yoni wash. This is all the benefits and the ingredients that's in the yoni scrub. The bar soap with the benefits and the ingredients on the back. Business card over here, all natural ingredients. I have work to do. I have to sit my butt down and label all these products to take them back with me in a couple days. But there are 3 products so far that's been on the website selling for the past 1.5 years: the scrub, the wash, and the bar soap.
Yeah, I know that you're the traveling kind. It's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me.
Welcome to Kingston, Jamaica. This is Parade. I haven't been here for like over 10 years. I kid you not. Kingston, Jamaica. This is Parade, right? This is a Parade. Yo, this brings back so much memories. They have pineapple over there. As a kid, I went over here like 2 times to do drama. You know, right? Would I have enough? I remember 2 times I came to this theater right here on the school bus, and we did drama. It was such a good time. If I was to be a kid again, oh my god. You gonna come to man? Sorry, sir, you can't drive. Cannot believe I just passed Ward Theater. As a kid, I used to go there like for drama class. Like, this is bringing back so much memory. Like, yeah, I'm in downtown in Kingston. I'm going to get some pineapple. I'm here for pineapples, so I'm going to buy a bunch of pineapples and take it back home in Portmore and, you know, proceed with the products. But this is bringing back mad memories. I remember the days when I used to come here and shop. It's been a long time. Oh my god, it's been such a long time. But I'm here getting pineapples. See? Yeah, I like this. But yeah, I'm inside KFC. I'm not inside a KFC. They keep the natural way. But this time I'm joining the line. The drive-thru is ridiculously crazy, so I'm inside. I went back home and take a shower. The sun is so hot. Oh my god, I was sweating so much. My armpits was so wet when I left downtown Kingston. I'm on my way to meet a girlfriend of mine at Devon house. Then we're gonna go somewhere to have dinner, you know, girls time. We need to catch up. It's not really my friend, it's like Antonia's friend. And while I'm here, she's gonna take me somewhere nice to, you know, enjoy a nice meal, have a couple drinks. So why not? So I'm on my way to meet her to Devon house. I am so proud of myself, you know, to drive myself to Devon house. Like, I didn't know I can do it, because every time I come here I always have someone driving me. The taxi drivers, the bus drivers in Jamaica is like a war zone. If you can drive in Jamaica and in New York, you can drive anywhere in the world. The taxi drivers here, it's like a war zone. Yes, to them boy, you offer tree, no matter you tell them saying I have no money, them still do this to your car. I met them some banana money for pay me now. Me I tell the boy, watch them. We have our own donuts here, Prestige. I don't know why we needed Krispy Kreme, but okay. You guys could open a big Prestige donut. The famous Devon house. Famous Devon house. This place has so much history. Yeah. So Taco Tuesday, right? Hi, how are you? Good afternoon. Can I have a cheese patty, please?
Yes.
No, that's it.
$2.50.
Okay. I'm getting some cheese patty today. Haven't had patty since I'm here, which is so unbelievable. That is unbelievable. I'm not a fan of this new money that we have. This new money is making me feel so dumb, so stupid. I keep on missing up the $100 with the $1,000 bill. It's not for me. Take me back to my old Jamaican money. Because this new money right here, having Shawna feeling dumb and stupid. I was buying a crown water, right? And I'm supposed to give the lady $300, and instead I give her $3,000, thinking it's $300. It's a good thing she's an honest person, because I don't know, it's really not for me. And then the $50 and the $5,000 have me feeling so dumb. I have to be, you know, checking the money over and over again before I give it to someone. Like, the colors are too close. But last night at Devon house, it was pretty chill. The tacos was okay. Not my favorite. I've had better tacos before, but it was okay. As you know, it's Jamaican, so the meats are going to season properly. But it wasn't the best taco, but the environment was refreshing for me. Company was good. Came back home around 12. We sat there for so long. After Devon house closed, we went to a nearby bar at TGI, and we had drinks there. You know, I was being in the moment, so I didn't really vlog like my experience last night at Devon house. I was there enjoying my evening, but it was a pretty chill evening. I got 2 cheese patty just for me. All I need is a cold drink, and I'm Gucci for the next 2 to 3 hours. Love this.